Tila unti-unti nang lumalabas ang katotohanan sa iligal na trabaho ng ilang Chinese citizen dito sa Pilipinas at isa nga sa pinakamalaking tao sa likod nito ay si Alice Guo at ang ilan nitong kaanak na namamalagi na din dito sa Pilipinas. Ngayong araw nga ay naimbitahan sa Senate hearing ang isa sa mga business partner ni Alice Guo na si Tony Yang, at doon nga ay inamin nito ang lahat-lahat sa kung anong kaugnayan at relasyon nito kay Alice Guo. Narito panoorin ang video.
Alright, so I will ask questions first to Yang Jianxin, or Tony Yang, or Antonio Maestrado Lim. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? When did you come to the Philippines?
请问杨先生，您什么时候过来菲律宾？
我大概是在1998还是1999年。
That was around 1998 or 1999.
So 1998 or 1999, you have been here for a quarter of a century or 26 years.
所以你在这里大概有26年了，是吧？
哦，大概25、26年了。
Yes, that's correct. Around 25 to 26 years.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Pilipino?
你到现在还不会说菲律宾语吗？
大家都Bisaya may kunti-kunti. Ganyan.
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a few. A mix of everything.
Ganyan din yung sagot ni Michael Yang sa amin nung Family Investigation. Sa tagal na niya dito, hindi pa rin marunong mag-Pilipino o Bisaya ng fluent.
Madam Chair.
Anyway, yes, SP Pro Tempore?
Maybe we can ask Senator Gatchalian to confirm if he is really telling the truth.
We'll let the interpreter do her job, Mr. President.
I agree, Senator Sherwin. Thank you, Senator Sherwin and SP President Pro Tempore. So, Mr. Tony Yang, you confirm that you are a Chinese national? Kinukumpirma nyo na Chino ang nationality nyo? Your mic, please, Ms. Caroline.
您确认你是中国籍吗？
我确认。
Yes, I confirm.
You confirm. So, do you also have a Philippine passport?
那请问你也有菲律宾的护照吗？
我没有菲律宾护照，没有。
I don't have a Philippine passport. None.
You don't? I heard differently. Do you have a Chinese passport?
那你有中国的护照吗？
有中国护照。
Yes, I have a Chinese passport.
You have a Chinese passport. Ito po, ifa-flash ko ngayon, birth certificate po ninyo. So, at ito birth certificate nyo dito sa Pilipinas. Late registration rin. O, nirehistro po ito sir, noong 2004. So, just 15 years, 16 years after you arrived here. Ibig sabihin, 34 years old na kayo nung na-register ang birth certificate nyo. You recognize this?
请问你能认出这个出生证吗？
因为这个出生证我也不懂得英文哦，就是当时好像我来这边差不多应该2、3年了。当时我爷爷他不知道怎么样，去哪里弄来给我，是我爷爷弄来给我的。
Okay. I actually could not understand English. What I remember is that when I was here, when I was 2 to 3 years old, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate.
You were not here when you were 2 to 3 years old, Mr. Yang. Sabi nyo dumating kayo 1998 or 1999. And then 2004 pa itong rehistro, 34 years old na po kayo. And then now you're telling us it was your grandfather who late registered your live birth. So it looks to me, Mr. Yang, the birth certificate is fake. Remember, you are answering under oath. Miss Caroline, please.
我们的参议员说，就是因为这个出生证，它的日期它并不是在你2、3岁才出来的出生证，所以这应该是假的出生证。
Your mic, please.
这样，因为当时我爷爷吧，他弄给我，我也不知道，应该就是为了要做生意比较方便嘛，应该是这样吧。
That during that time, it was my grandfather who helped me come up with this birth certificate, and I'm not sure, maybe he did this for the convenience of the business here.
Similar story as Guo Huaping, similar story as revealed by the SP Pro Tempore about Cassandra Leong. We will ask the Philippine Statistics Authority to investigate if, like theirs, your Philippine birth certificate is also irregular. Dahil lumalabas, the birth certificate is fake. Mr. Yang, sabi nyo nga, you are a Chinese national. Sabi nyo, wala kayong Philippine passport. Ba't kayo nagpapanggap na Pilipino? Miss Caroline.
你刚才说你是中国籍，然后你也说你们有菲律宾的护照，那你为什么要说你要说自己是菲律宾人？
啊？
你为什么要说自己是菲律宾人？
因为我当时我外公嘛，他弄给我我刚来也不大懂得他弄这个给我是为了什么。我自己在想，应该是为了我留在菲律宾这边发展做生意吧，比较方便嘛，应该是这样我自己想的吧。因为当时他弄给我，到现在也好像有20年左右了，我也反正就一直就是这样的，这样用着。
Okay. During that time, it was my grandfather who helped me process this birth certificate. I am not aware of this. Maybe he was thinking that it was for my convenience so that I can build a business here.
Ano ba talaga ang totoong pangalan nyo, Mr. Yang? Let me show you yung ACR application form nyo. O, pinafa-follow up ni SP President Pro Tempore. Ano bang totoong pangalan nyo, Mr. Yang?
请问你真正的名字全名是什么？
我
是
杨建新。
I am Yang Jianxin.
Yang Tianxin, as I read from your nameplate. But look at this. Tingnan nyo Ito yung ACR application nyo. Diyan, Yang Tianxin nga kayo. Pero merong ding LTO, Driver's License Application. Papakita din po namin. Dito naman, pangalan nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Ito pa, Taxpayer's Identification Number application. May TIN pa. So ito, sa mga Pilipino, dito naman, iba na naman ang pangalan nyo. Antonio Lim. So alin sa mga ito ang totoong pangalan nyo?
请看我们刚才给你出示的这些驾驶照，还有这个交税的号码。那这里有说您的名字就是 Antonio Maestrado Lim， 还有一个就是 Antonio Lim。那请问您真正的名字是什么？
真正的名字？
是的。
我自己也不大清楚。但是我知道，就是说叫安多尼林安年，可是林个里是阿个，我家的都因比马路龙安年，比如，就是我自己对这个英文嘛，我也不说也不准，但是就是大概就是叫安多尼林这样，我知道那个。就是叫安多尼林或安多尼임림概念。
Okay. Since I do not know how to speak English, what I only know is that I am called Antonio Lim. They call me Antonio Lim. That's what they call me.
Before I continue questioning Mr. Yang, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Majority Leader, Senator Francis. Salamat sa pagdalo. Sir, bakit ba pa iba-iba pa yung pangalan na ginagamit nyo sa mga official documents? Minsan kayo si Yang Tianxin, minsan Tony Yang kayo, minsan naman Antonio Maestrado Lim. Bakit iniiba-iba ninyo yung pangalan nyo sa official documents?
请问为什么要这样做？就是在不同的这些政府的文件，你用不同的名字。
我就是政府的文件应该只有安东尼林嘛，没有别的名字啊。
In the government documents, I only use Antonio Lim and no other name.
May pinakita kaming iba. Yung alien registration application nyo sa Republika ng Pilipinas, Yang Tianqin. Dun sa LTO driver's license application na sinabit nyo sa Republika, you were Tony Yang, the previous slide. Doon naman, dito naman sa TIN application nyo, Antonio Maestrado Lim. Hindi totoo na isang pangalan lang ginagamit nyo. Iniiba-iba ninyo. And you have profited from changing your name and your nationality dito sa iba't ibang submissions nyo. At your convenience. Talagang for convenience. Gaya ng sinabi nyo tungkol sa lolo nyo. You're only Filipino when it benefits you. Miss Carolyn.
OK， 参议员认为，就是你在这些政府的文件就使用了不同的名字。刚才那个外国人注册，你用了那个杨建新的名字，但是在驾驶照还有这个交税的文件，你用了你的英文名字，就是 Antonio Lim。那我们认为呢，你这样用就是为了在菲律宾能够赚钱，能够使用你这个菲律宾的这个身份来在这里开业做企业。
我对就是说，在菲律宾做生意吧，中国人，比如说没有菲律宾的那个证件就不能做生意吧，不能申请这个营业执照啦。我就是当时我外公嘛，他弄这个给我，我在想，应该他也是想说，为了我在这边做生意，以后长期留下来在菲律宾比较方便嘛，应该是这样的。
Yes, because the initial intention of my grandfather is for me to start a business here. That's why I use an English name so that I can also apply for business permits, for other documentations that will be needed for the business.
Precisely. So for the record, Mr. Yang has confirmed that he is also Antonio Maestrado Lim, aside from Tony Yang, aside from Yang Tianqin. At di ako makapaniwala, quarter of a century na kayo dito sa Pilipinas, sa Cagayan de Oro included, at di pa kayo marunong mag-Bisaya fluently o Filipino fluently. Dili ako buang para maniwala dyan.
Madam Chair, can I just clarify
Senator Joel, one thing.
Can I just clarify, Caroline, if you can relay this message? Is it still your grandfather who applied for the TIN, for the LTO and ACR, as you previously mentioned for your certificate of live birth? Yung grandfather mo pa rin ba yung nag-apply para sa'yo at this point in time na ganito ka ng katanda?
Ms. Carolyn.
请问杨先生，这些其他的文件，刚才你说过，就是你是出生证，就是有你的外公来帮你办理。那么其他的文件，比如说这个驾驶照啊，这个外国人的注册啊，还有这些交税的号码，也就是您的外公来帮你办理吗？
不是，这个不是我外公帮我办理，这个是我去办理的。
No, it was not. It was not processed by my grandfather. It was me who processed these other documents.
So obviously,
Precisely,
Madam Chair,
yes.
exactly. Obviously, ginagamit mo yung iba-ibang pangalan gaya ng minana mo sa kiniklaim mo na grandfather mo para sa convenience mo at ikaw na nagsabi nun, para sa negosyo mo at paiba-iba ka ng pangalan dahil illegal yung mga negosyo mo. Yung mga negosyo mo gumagawa ng criminal activities. Isang tanong na lang. Can I just one, Madam Chair?
One more and
Yes,
then the chair will
yes.
continue her question.
Yes, what about yung mga gun permits mo, permit to carry mo? Pare-pareho din ba yung pangalan mo? Meron ka bang mga gun permits? Kasi nung nahuli ka sa Cagayan de Oro, may 6 na baril na possession mo.
Miss Caroline.
OK，所以一个问题就是，请问你那个持枪的那个证书就是用什么名字？
那个是安多纽林的哦，
持枪的。
是安多纽林。
I use Antonio Lim for that permit.
For all
Chair,
6.
I just wanted to put on record, last na po ito, hindi Pilipino. Tapos, may TIN, may LTO, may ACR na iba-iba yung pangalan. May 6 na baril na nakuha. Hindi natin alam kung ilan ang baril nito, Madam Chair. Pero hindi Pilipino. Hindi makapagsalita ng Tagalog ng Pilipino, hindi makasalita ng Bisaya. Tapos dito naghahasik ng lagim sa bansa natin. Dito lang sa Senado, napaka-weird na ganito yung sitwasyon na may interpreter tayo. Nakakalungkot para tayong binabalasubas dito, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Joel. So, Mr. Yang, or kung ano man yung totoong pangalan nyo, bakit ba kayo pumunta sa Pilipinas?
请问杨先生，您为什么要过来菲律宾？
因为我爷爷当时我外公嘛，他们就在这边呐、他们叫我过来这边发展做生意，这样就是过来这边做生意吧。
During that time, it was my maternal grandfather who invited me to come here to join them in the Philippines to open up a business.
Madam
At
Chair.
saan kayo ipinanganak? And then I will call the SP Pro Tempore. Saan kayo pinanganak?
请问你是在哪里出生的？
我是在中国福建，
福建。
福建。
福建。Okay. I was born in China in Fujian.
How do you spell that?
Fujian, and that means in Fujian province.
Fujian Province. Which city there?
福建哪里？
晋江，
In 晋江。
晋江市。
XIN.
JIN.
JIN.
JIANG.
Jinjiang. SP Pro Tempore.
Why did
For
you,
one question.
Why do you have a birth certificate, live birth certificate, when you were born in China?
那请问你是在中国出生对吧？为什么有这个菲律宾的出生证呢？
菲律宾的出生证是吧？
是。
就是我过来这边应该大概3年还是4年吧，我爷爷去弄来给我的，我外公嘛去弄来给我的。
Yes, it was my maternal grandfather who helped me process the birth certificate for the first during the third or fourth year that I came here in the Philippines.
And your... Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Tingin mo nga kung buhay pa yung lolo niya.
请问你的外公还活着吗？
我外公应该在15年几年前就过世了。
十几年前。Okay.
过世了。
So my grandfather, he passed away around 10 years ago.
Kaya niya ginagamit dahil patay na eh. You are always using your grandmother or your grandfather because they are already dead. How can we ask them questions? If indeed it's true that they processed all your fake documents here.
And Mr. Yang, ang nakalagay sa birth certificate nyo, place of birth, Misamis Oriental. You just told us pinanganak kayo sa Xinjiang, sa Fujian province. So, a lie on the birth certificate, isa pang patunay na irregular yung birth certificate nyo.
你刚才有说过你是在中国福建出生的，对吧？但是这个菲律宾的出生证说你在 Misamis Oriental 出生的，所以这个证明你的出生证就是虚假的，而且这个是不是正常的出生证？
Mr. Yang, klaro po sa komite namin na peke yung birth certificate nyo. Peke yung pagka-Pilipino ninyo. Inaamin mo na nagpapanggap ka lamang na Pilipino. para magkapera dito sa Pilipinas. You've been deceiving this country for the last 26 years.
OK，所以这个就证明你的出生证就是虚假的，而且呢，你就是在26年在菲律宾就假装是菲律宾人。
哦，是这样哦。
是的。
And speaking of the illegal activities, dako na ako sa mga tanong ko sa inyo sa POGOs, Mr. Yang. Napakamarami pong kumpanya at negosyong nakarehistro sa inyo. Ito, ipapakita namin dito. Ito, Corporations of Antonio Maestrado Lim with SEC documents. Businesses, trade names associated with Antonio Maestrado Lim's taxpayer's identification number. Pwede mo bang ikwento sa amin kung paano kayo nagsimula, saan galing yung puhunan ninyo, at paano kayo kumikita ng pera ngayon? Gamit na rin itong lahat ng mga kumpanyang ito. Miss Carolyn.
现在给你出示的是，就是在你的名字下，这个英文名字下注册的一些公司。请问这些公司是怎么开始的？而且你用多少的资本来开业？还有一个，到现在你是怎么赚钱的？OK， 我们从第一开始，请问这些公司是怎么开始的？就我开始做公司。
是我来菲律宾开始是呢。
就我开始。
哦，是不是我来菲律宾开始怎么做生意的，是吧？
怎么开业的？
好，我刚来菲律宾的时候吧，我有在这个马尼拉差不多5个月还是6个月，反正很久了，我也记不大清楚。后来我爷爷吧，他就叫我说到 CDO 啊，去那边做生意，那边开店嘛，开店。他说那边以前比较少中国人嘛，比较没有竞争嘛，所以他有一个亲戚吧，我爷爷的一个亲戚在卡加亚嘛，就叫他帮我找店在那边。刚开始我去做这个服装、床上用品啊，这些的生意开始，就最早去卡加亚嘛。
服装的用品对吗？
服装、床上这些布料的做的成品的这种，刚开始我去卡加亚去做这个皮袜，去做这个皮袜。
OK， 好，等一下，这是第一个问题。OK，let me just answer the first question, how it started. Okay. So when I came here in the Philippines, I stayed for 5 to 6 months in Manila. And then it was my grandfather who told me to go to Cagayan de Oro to open up a business. Because according to him, there was less competition in CDO because there was less Chinese. And my grandfather's relative also asked him to call me to help him in his business. And it was a textile or the textile industry. RTW.
And saan galing yung puhunan ninyo para sa lahat ng mga kumpanyang ito? Hindi pa nga ito yung kompleto eh. At several dito, Yangtze ang pangalan. Yangtze Sky One Condotel. Yung YHJ, baka yung Y dyan, Yangtze din. May Yangtze Rice Mill. Tulad ng mga kumpanya ni Michael Yang nung formally investigation namin dito. Saan nyo nakuha yung puhunan para sa lahat ng negosyong ito?
请问这所有的企业、这所有的公司的资本是哪里来的？
我刚刚来这边去马尼拉的时候，那时候我外公应该大概是给我60万还是80万的回币给我这本钱去那边就是租店啊，这样刚开始吧。后来我就在那边慢慢发展嘛， 就是后来也有做大米，后来又做大米，也有做那个，也有做面粉厂，也有做面粉厂嘛。还有后来也有做那个炼钢铁的厂，这样就是慢慢积累，也慢慢发展，这样嘛，做起来的。
Okay, so I could not remember clearly, but my grandfather, when I came here, he gave me around 600 to 800,000 pesos as capital for establishing these businesses. And then afterwards, I slowly developed, I slowly grew, and I already have the rice business, and also the steel factory, and also the tire factory.
Pareho kayo ni Go Huaping, binigyan ng, kung hindi ng tatay, binigyan ng lolo ng puhunan para makapagsimula ng negosyo. Eh ngayon, paano kayo kumikita ng pera sa ngayon?
请问您现在是怎么赚钱的？
我
是的。
我现在的生意就是有大米嘛，哦，还有那个面粉厂。
OK， 只有这个。
还有那个就是做钢铁的这样，做钢铁生意。
Okay, so once again, so right now I got my income from the rice business, from the steel, and also the tire factory.
Sangkot po ba kayo sa negosyo ng Pogo o kahit na anumang business associated sa Pogo?
请问您现在有没有跟博彩公司有相关的集团吗？
没有，现在没有。
Right now, I don't have any related business with the Pogo.
Right now, how about before? Did you have any Pogo business or Pogo-related business?
那以前呢？
以前我有一栋房子，就是租给他们那个一个叫秋水的做这个办公跟住宅，我有一栋房子。
请问叫什么名字？
我那个房子好像是叫养系河地还是什么，我也不知道那个名字叫什么。反正我有建一栋房子要做酒店的，就是还在建的时候有一个叫秋水的，
秋水
哦，他过来给我租去做这个，但是当时做这个是合法的吧，都有去正规申请这些营业执照，这些都有，是这样。
Okay, so before I had transaction with the Pogo company for renting out a condo unit for them, and
all right, please continue, Miss Caroline.
the name
Yes,
that
the
I
name.
had a transaction with is Chiu Shui.
How do you spell?
Can I just ask it again?
Yes.
请问那个名字就是秋水吗？怎么说那个名字？
他那个就是反正中国名字我就叫他说他叫秋水，我就叫他秋水吧，就这样。
秋水，it's like JIUSHUI.
All right. What about Oro One? Oro One is a Pogo service provider. Inaamin nyo ba na presidente kayo ng Oro One?
请问这个 Or1 是一个博彩公司，您能确认你是否这个 Or1 的总经理吗？
因为当时他给我租啊，他就是说要我们要申请一个那个叫营业执照还是什么公司吧，哦，就是要我们用，因为他是那个中国人嘛，哦。他就是要我们提供 就是给他做这个营业执照吧，所以就是申请这个叫欧罗湾还是叫什么，我也不大清楚，大概就这样，应该是这样。
I'm actually not sure about the name of the company, if it's Or1, but what I can remember is perhaps during that time when they were opening, they needed a business permit. They needed to apply for a business or operating permit. That's why my name was there.
Sir, masyado kayong high level para gawing dummy, nino man. I don't think na may not sure dito. I don't think na may maybe dito. Kasi ito pinapakita namin, PAGCOR license issued to Oro1 bilang POGO service provider ng Sunway Technologies Inc. Kilala nyo ba si Wei Xiong-lin?
请问您认识这个韦松林吗？韦松林，是的。
不认识。
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Mukhang pinagpalit lang yung pangalan niya sa Sunway Technologies, kung saan service provider ang Oro1, kung saan presidente kayo dito sa official document na ito ng PAGCOR. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung letrato ni Wei Xiong-lin o Alan Lim mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Pharmaly ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Dito rin sa Senado. Do you remember him now?
Which one there in the picture?
Yung katabi dyan sa letrato. Kaliwa, dito sa big photo.
在左边。
这个我有见过，这个有见过。
The one on the left, I have met him.
So you have met. Kilala nyo si Wei Xiong-lin. Paano nyo siya kilala?
你是怎么认识他？
这个有时候在那个，比如说华人嘛，华人有见过，有见过他。
就是在华人区这边。
华人圈子里面，有些比如说去人家有什么结婚啊，还是说有什么请客啦，这些有见过。
Yes, I think I have met him during some Chinese social events. For example, like wedding or any kind of events with the Chinese people.
Okay. Pero iba pa to. Yung mga photos na to, hindi lang siya social events, business events talaga. Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo? Kanino kayo nagre-report?
请问杨先生，您的老板是谁？
我没有老板啊，没有。
你跟谁做报告？
没有啊，我都没有跟谁做报告啊。
None. I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss?
你是大老板了。
Claro.
不是我去做我自己的生意，是这样。
Everyone else reports to you.
所以所有的人就在对你报告。
就是我的生意，就是我都没有对别人报告啊，没有啊。
And because these are all my own businesses, so I don't report to anyone.
Pati yung Oro1, it's your own business at you don't report to anyone sa Oro1. Everyone in Oro1 reports to you.
So 包括这个 Oro1 也就是你的，对吧？所以所有的人就在对你报告。
Oro1也没有对我报告什么，就是我那个租给他们的租金，他们交给我啊。
Oro1 is not reporting to me. No one from Oro1 is reporting to me.
You are the president, Mr. Yang.
你是这边说的那个董事长或是总经理的。
我当时是那个他们给我租地方嘛，要我说就是提供那个公司的营业执照啦，就去申请这个Oro1就这样。
The reason why my name was in Oro1 is because during that time I rented out the place to them.
Hindi lang ang pangalan nyo nasa Oro1 dahil nag-rent lang kayo sa kanila. Bukod sa presidente, kayo ang majority shareholder ng Oro1.
而且我们发现你是 Oro1 是最大的股东。
当 当时是申请这个，我也不大知道，也不大清楚。反正就是说要一个公司提供他们方便嘛，就去叫那个母鸡波还是什么去办嘛，就这样。
Yes, it was only during that time that they needed help with the permits and all. That's why I was connected with them. It was the bookkeeper who recorded.
Sir, hindi lang kayo hiningan ng tulong. Hindi lang kayo tulad ni Guo Huaping na authorized representative ng was it Hongsheng at nakakuha ng letter of no objection sa municipal board noon ng Bamban. Sa mga papeles na ito, kayo ang presidente, kayo rin ang majority shareholder ng Oro1. Now, I know that Oro1 is a POGO service provider, pero interesado din ako sa Philippine Steel, Sanja Steel Corporation. Ito yung incorporation documents niya. Ito po, it's supposed to be a steel plant, pero mukhang may POGO-like facilities din sa loob. May dorm-style facilities, may restricted area na bawal kaming mga Pilipino. Meron pang torturer, may tagapalo. Ilan po ba ang foreign nationals sa facility niyong ito ng Sanja?
OK， 还有一个就是我们想问关于这个三江这个钢铁的公司，对吗？但是我们发现它里面的设施有像这些博彩公司的一些设施，比如说它有住宅区啊，它也有这些酷刑室，还有一些就是眼镜进去的地方。
Mr. Yang, hindi po ito nakakatawa. Seryosong usapin ito para sa aming mga Pilipino. At kahit hindi kayo Pilipino, kahit Chino kayo, nandito kayo sa aming bansa, dapat seryosohin nyo po yung aming mga tanong at yung pag-translate ni Miss Caroline.
Okay.
谢谢。
你要认真的回答。
好，我都认真的回答，真的。
好，谢谢。
Yes, Miss Caroline, anong sagot niya? Ilan ang foreign nationals dyan sa facility ng Sanja?
请问在这个三家公司一共有几个外国人在这里？
三家公司具体几个准确，我是不敢确定，但是大概在110个中国人左右，110个左右中国人。
100个
110个左右。
So I cannot confirm the exact number of foreign nationals here at Sanjian Steel Corporation, but I am estimating around 110. 110 Chinese nationals.
Hang in there, Mr. Yang. Pwede pong matanong Yusek Cruz sa PAOK, ilan ang alam ninyong at nako-confirm ninyong foreign nationals dyan sa Sanja facility ni Mr. Yang?
Yes, Madam Chair. During their heyday, we're looking at around 2,000 POGO workers. But ngayon, ma'am, mga less than 300 na lang po.
Alright, salamat po, Yusek Cruz. So, Mr. Yang, narinig nyo yon in its heyday, ang Sanja may mga 2,000 na nalalaman ng mga otoridad namin na foreign nationals dyan. Pero ngayon, less than 300. So medyo malapit, pero malayo pa rin. Kung less than 300, mga 200, doble sa sinasabi nyong 110. And in any case, why would you need hundreds of Chinese to build steel dyan sa Sanja, Miss Caroline?
请问为什么需要这么多中国人或是110个中国人来到你的钢铁公司来工作？
因为这个钢铁厂的那个机器吧，很大的机器，还有就是110 个工人都那些机器吧，一定要技术工才懂得可以做，就是要技术工，要懂得那个炼钢铁的那些技术的。
Okay, this is because the machines that we have in the steel factories are big, and then we will need 110 skilled workers who knows the technology of steel manufacturing.
Marami pong Pilipinong skilled workers na marunong sa steel manufacturing. 1950s, 1960s pa, may steel manufacturing na dito. Ano yung trabaho ng mga Chinese nationals na yon?
请问这些中国人，这个110个中国人，他们在你的工厂是做什么？
他们在里面就是大部分都是那些技术人员，就是要懂得机器的，就是在看着机器的这个。但是我们就是有这样嘛，比如说一个岗位要4个中国人的，我们就有，比如说先2个菲律宾人跟4个中国人跟着在写到，因为这个要有技术工的吧，比如说写到1年2年，这个菲律宾人懂了，我们就会把中国人换掉，用菲律宾人嘛。因为我们也喜欢用菲律宾人，但是这种机器吧，这种机器是有那个技术的，要有技术的，就是会等菲律宾人熟悉了，就会换掉，把中国人给他回去。因为用中国人，我们也不喜欢用中国人了，用中国人一点工资要。他们请他们来，工资要高，我们也要给他给他买机票，还有来这边也要宿舍给他住，就是很不得已，我们才要用那个中国人，因为这个是要有技术的东西，不是说随便请一些工人就可以做的，就是这个意思吧。
Okay, actually, just like what I said, we need the Chinese for the technical aspect of the machines, like the mechanical operations of the machines. And for example, in one station, there will be 10 Chinese workers working. And then we will just add 2 Filipino workers, and train them together with the Chinese. And sometimes it will take 1 to 2 years for these Filipino workers to be trained. And then after the training, after they get used to the machine, we will be changing the Chinese. Actually, we do not want really the Chinese workers to work in our factory because there are a lot of factors. First, we need to give them higher salary compared to the Filipino workers.
Yes, lower salaries for Filipinos. Nice.
Yes, and the second is we also have to shoulder their plane tickets to come here to the Philippines. The third reason that we do not prefer the Chinese is because we also need to provide a dormitory for them. And the fourth reason
Why?
is...
Where do the Filipinos stay? On banig in common areas? Please proceed, Ms. Caroline.
Okay, and then afterwards, the only reason why that we will employ these Chinese nationals to work in our factory is only when they are needed for the technical and the mechanical aspect of operating the machines. That's why we did not hire them just for the sake of hiring Chinese nationals, but because we really need those kinds of skills.